Guys, Luna is absolutely 1 month old. Like, how did that happen? She's getting so big. Hey guys, welcome back to Double D's family. I'm in a very weird spot right now. Say hi. Hi. Say hi, Ali. Hi. I'm in an absolutely strange spot right now. I'm sitting on the floor. Oh, hey. So we're sitting right next to baby Luna because she's watching TV. That's what she wants to do. Hey, anything to keep her calm. Check her out. Say hi, baby Luna.
Hey, Nana.
She has like a little grumpy pants, doesn't she?
Yeah.
Say hi. Just watching some Puffin Rock.
B1.
Oh, what is that? What is that? What is that? What's that painting of? Too close. Oh, I see.
Okay. Where are they? There you go.
I don't know. Yeah. Hi, baby. Say hi.
Hi.
So she has some like baby acne going on her face. Let me talk a little bit more in a second. She's about to like completely lose it on me. Be right back. Oh, Dios. No, it's okay.
I can't see me. Mommy.
So I'm not sure how long she'll actually let me talk for, but she turned 1 month old and she officially, when she was... Okay guys, this is the next day because babies are crazy. But yeah, she just was not having it, so I had to stop that and record the next day. But she's all bathed. Gave her a bath earlier, so she's all nice and clean. And as you see, this is not gonna go well. She is so inquieta, like so like movie, I guess, like moves a lot and like is never happy with sleeping compared to her sisters. Man, like she's nothing like them. Them two were, even with them being twins, they were so much easier to like go to sleep and stay down. Yes, they were up every hour and a half compared to her like every 3 hours or so, but man, she's a loud one and she's feisty, so gotta put in some work for that one. But yeah, so again, she's 1 month old now. When she was born, she was 8.5 pounds, well, 8 pounds 4 ounces, and they were incorrect. They said she was 20 inches long, but she was not, because at her first appointment for her 1 week, she actually weighed, she was back to her normal birth weight of 8.4 ounces, and she measured 18.5 inches. So there's no way that she was born 20 inches. So they were absolutely wrong about that. But at her 1 month appointment, she actually weighed 9 pounds 12 ounces. So she's getting really big and she's growing. So that's amazing. And she measured at 21 inches. Isn't that crazy that a baby could grow 2.5 inches in 1 month? That is so nuts, but complete blessing. She's growing, she's healthy, all these great things. Oh, speaking of healthy, she actually failed her hearing test at the hospital, so we need to get her reevaluated to another I guess another doctor. We have an appointment tomorrow that will be taking her, so hopefully, we have noticed she can hear, but they're just going to make sure she doesn't have any hearing problems. So fingers crossed everything there is fine. But even if something was wrong with that, then, you know, like we would take the next steps that we would have to from there. But I'm sure everything will be fine. But her appointment's tomorrow for that. And what else is it? Oh, she was actually born with like a little skin tag, or like an extra piece of skin on her ear. And they say that they wanted her to get like an ultrasound of her kidneys. Apparently they develop around the same times the ears and the kidneys do, so they just want to make sure that nothing is wrong with her kidney development, being that she has like a random little extra piece of it looks like a little bump on her ear, almost like a beauty mark made out of skin, I guess is the best way to put it. I'll probably show you guys in a different video what that looks like, but really it's just a little bump. You wouldn't even notice it unless I told you. But she'll be having an ultrasound very soon at the hospital just to make sure that everything's good there, which also hopefully I'm sure everything will be, but fingers crossed everything will be fine. But yeah, so anyone else have like fussy kids? Were your kids really fussy when they were young? Like during the middle of the night, she usually flips her top around 9:30 to like 12 o'clock in the morning, I would say. She just starts getting very uncomfortable and wants to keep eating, or just doesn't want anything to do with anything. She just gets very feisty. Comment down below if you guys have any tips of what I could do for that. Me and Alan, and mostly me and Alan, we have the night shift. We like try to walk her and bounce her and comfort her and let her lay flat to exercise a little bit and stretch her legs. We'll put her down, we'll get her another ounce of milk. I swear, like, she always wants to eat. She's just always uncomfortable during that time. And yeah, so any pointers, guys, would be very much so appreciated. So go ahead and comment down below and let us know. These new parents all over again would love to hear any pointers. But yeah, guys, there she is. She's doing great. She's growing. She's happy, I hope. She's healthy, and yeah, we just hope she continues to grow and be happy and healthy. And thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to thumbs up the video and comment down below for some pointers for us, please. I highly would appreciate it if you guys have any pointers whatsoever what we might be able to do. I tried giving her a bath tonight just to see if it calms her a little bit. So far so good, but again, like, she starts, it's 10 o'clock now. Yeah, it's 10 o'clock now, but usually she starts getting rousy again maybe around like 11ish. So hopefully she stays down tonight. But thanks guys so much for watching. We love you. We appreciate you guys so much. See you next week. Bye.